it going, folks? Zane over at Mike's Auto Clinic. We're going to review brake drums in the rear here on this 1995 Nissan Pickup. Here we've got the drum off of this rear axle on this pickup. We've removed the rear drum and we've replaced not only the shoes but all the hardware and things associated with the brakes in the rear here. Usually jobs like this take about a couple hours, usually about an hour per side, unless of course we're in an unusual situation. Like, I don't believe the drums have ever been done on this truck, so took a little bit more work to get the actual drums off of the brakes here, but usually average time for something like this is about 2 hours. This particular truck, all the components were rusted on it, so we had to actually use 2 screws here to remove the drum physically because it was seized on here with all these other components. So since then, we removed the springs, the cups, the actual adjustment springs, and the wheel cylinder here. So we have a complete new brake system kit. Consequences of not doing that, over time these springs tend to stretch, and that stretch can cause uneven and excessive wear inside of the drum as well as these brake shoes. Now the wheel cylinder is what actually pushes these shoes out to hold the drum in place for parking and braking. Something like this is a 4-wheel drive truck. Most of the braking is actually done in the front with the pads and rotors. This is going to be more of a parking brake situation unless you're towing with the pickup truck, and then it's also going to be using that under load as well. So after this repair is made, we're going to go ahead and bleed the wheel cylinder. It's got brake fluid in it. We're going to replace the drum and adjust accordingly and get you back on the road.